Welcome to our ultimate motherboard showdown. Today we are comparing two powerful contenders, the MSI B550-A PRO and the ASUS ROG Strix B650-A. We'll dive deep into their specifications, features, and performance to help you make an informed decision. Whether you're a gamer or a PC builder, understanding the differences between these motherboards is crucial for your next build. The MSI B550-A PRO features the B550 chipset, which supports AMD Ryzen 5000 series processors and offers PCIe 4.0 capabilities. In contrast, the ASUS ROG Strix B650-A utilizes the newer B650 chipset, designed for the latest Ryzen 7000 series CPUs and supports PCIe 5.0 technology. This difference in chipsets indicates that the ASUS motherboard is better equipped for future upgrades and higher performance demands. When it comes to memory, the MSI B550-A PRO supports DDR4 RAM, which is widely used and offers good performance for most applications. On the other hand, the ASUS ROG Strix B650-A supports the newer DDR5 memory, which provides faster speeds and improved power efficiency. This advancement in memory technology can lead to better overall system performance, especially in demanding tasks such as gaming and content creation. Price is always a significant factor when choosing a motherboard. The MSI B550-A PRO is priced at $119, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking to build a capable system without breaking the bank. In contrast, the ASUS ROG Strix B650-A comes with a higher price tag of $219, reflecting its advanced features and performance capabilities. While the ASUS board offers more cutting-edge technology, the MSI board provides excellent value for users who may not need the latest features. In conclusion, both the MSI B550-A PRO and ASUS ROG Strix B650-A have their strengths and weaknesses. The MSI board is an excellent choice for budget-conscious users looking for solid performance, while the ASUS board is ideal for those seeking the latest technology and features. We hope this comparison has helped you in your decision-making process. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.